Hi everyone, this part 2. Went to Goodwill and spent $12 some scrap. So I'm sure what I got out of it. All these here IC chips got gold in them inside. These are gold pins in there. So the gold pins, those are gold pins there. And here are gold pins in there too. Here are gold teeth. More IC chips. To the back. Oh, more gold teeth there. Gold teeth there. More IC chips. More gold pins there. Here's a little copper. Let's go right there. Let's go. Where did I find this? This is solid gold right here. All that inside there is gold. You know what I'm saying? And there is gold. Same color as outside. So these are connectors. That's a little copper there. I'm saying, but that's solid gold right there, ladies and gentlemen. There's more gold there. See the gold from the side? That's a connector. Any connector got gold. See? See gold inside? Gold teeth. More gold teeth there. Gold teeth there. Let's go, see? Gold reflection. See the gold? That's the gold there. This is all gold. Let's go. That's all gold in German. Teeth got gold. The whole backboard is gold. There we go. That's gold. See what's gold. This is gold. Gold dots. Gold teeth. Gold teeth there. Little gold teeth there. See? That's what I got. $12 in gold. I got more gold here. See, gold there. Gold teeth there. Back to gold. See, that's so good. That's so good. That's so gold. That's what I got so far. Back there's gold. See those? They're all gold right there. So that's what I got, ladies and gentlemen. Keep scrapping.